Today, we are going to show you a unique and traditional way of capturing a swarm of honeybees. Instead of using modern frame boxes, we are following a natural and indigenous method that has been practiced in the mountainous regions of Pakistan for centuries. You can see the beekeeper gently lowering the swarm into a basket. This method ensures that the bees remain unharmed and the process is carried out in a natural way. The captured bees are then placed inside a specially designed clay pot, which is fixed into a wall. This traditional method provides a stable environment for the bees by naturally regulating temperature and humidity. Unlike modern beekeeping, where bees are kept in frame boxes, this method allows them to thrive in a more natural habitat. It is eco-friendly and beneficial for the bees' well-being. We have brought you an exclusive look at this fascinating traditional beekeeping technique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel Bee Nation for more informative and exciting content.